OG Fun My Core Part 1. So, let's just immediately get started.
Just run. I'm the
I'll
fastest
try
gorilla
to
tag runner.
cut out the cussing.
Go.
I'm the fastest gorilla tag runner.
He's coming back. I'm the fastest gorilla tag runner.
My father's coming.
Dang, I don't even.
Chicken alert, Bobby. Chicken alert. Nerd alert, nerd alert, nerd alert. Holy juice. If the bean catches me, you get a bucket of KFC.
I know where it is. It's stuck in back.
Yeah, I can literally hear it. Come on, Bean. If you ain't gonna get Bean, then I'm gonna get him. Oh, you guys get a bucket of KFC.
I want a bucket of KFC. Hey, it's not my fault if I hit you guys. It's not my fault if I hit you guys, cause stop.
No.
No, you don't. Shut the gate. Move. Shut the gate.
I'm joking.
Yeah, we're so fucked. Okay, then stop.
Bro, standing on lines.
Scared me.
I'll kick you, bro.
Yeah, take
Run!
You should move out of my way, then.
You too.
You should move out of my way.
Listen back.
And that's all I know for right now.
Adrian, Asian boy.
Run. I'm serious.
Oh, he doing that!
Bobby, chicken alert. Where'd it go? It just teleported.
Okay, idiots.
Where is he? It teleported. I saw it teleport right into my eyes.
It teleported!
It teleported. It teleported.
I got so scared he was about to kill me. I got so scared he was about to kill me.
I'm shivering me timbers right now. Holy crap, I'm so scared. What be that? Like I'm shivering so bad. Like holy crap. I'm shivering. Open the door. That you open the door. Open the door. I'm gonna pee in my pants. Open the door. Do what you want.
Bro, chill out, guys. Chill out.
Shut up, bro. No one's even there. Nothing's even there. What are y'all talking about, bro? Gosh.
That Dizzy Blood is getting brutally diddled.
He's going to his. No, you're some fake liars, man. You're such liars, bro. I'll be right back in. Yo, no one's falling for it, bro. Relax.
Now watch, right when he actually
comes,
everyone's gonna
scream and you're gonna be like, he's not coming.
Oh, but yeah, I'm making fun of
not coming.
Come in.
I saw some in the bean.
I shot some in the bean, yeah. Some in the bean up my butt. That's what's gonna happen.
Oh yeah, Bean, put it up my butt, Bean.
Why you guys?
Oh, you guys are all dead.
My bean. You're all dead. What did I say? I know where it's at. Relax, buddy. It's there. Bro, why are y'all scared of air? You freaking. You're scared of air. Is crazy, dog.
I bet go.
Go, close the door. I need you to close that door.
Imagine being scared of air, bro.
He disappeared,
Right,
guys.
now
He
open
disappeared. He disappeared.
Yeah,
bro.
bro, that's
And-
Okay, that didn't work.
Yeah, what did I say?
I almost died. You didn't say nothing, by the way.
I almost died making Pop-Tarts.
Oh, he's not coming. Up nowhere? I now have a gun.
Yeah.
I heard him.
I
heard him.
I almost died making
I have a gun.
Pop-Tarts. I almost died.
Yo, guys, come to the front door.
Picky pop cart.
We are Charlie Kirk.
Mickey Mudhouse. Mickey Mudhouse. Mickey Mudhouse.
I almost died making
You're always
Pop-Tarts.
running from air, I swear, bro.
Mickey Mudhouse.
Air, I
Mudhouse.
swear.
But these kids are schizophrenic. I almost died making Pop-Tarts.
How'd you guys get those outfits?
Where is he? What?
Shut your
I'm gonna check
Bro,
that
shut
avenue.
your
Right?
What
Yo,
the
you're not
fuck was that?
scaring
Nobody.
I
Nothing's
know.
even there, you wimps.
Shut your go pumpkin heights, Mongo. Open the freaking door.
Wimps.
Bro, shut the corner. It's around the corner.
Bro, shut your
Nope, I'm stuck.
Why me? 6, 7 on a Mary
You made it. Yo, you're being hit up. Guys, y'all want to know the first meme of 2026?
No, yeah, it's that white guy.
It's
Ronaldo
died
running
running
green. It's that white guy.
yeah,
that,
he's right there. Becoming a streamer.
W.
No, bro. Be quiet.
It's stuck.
I got scared.
Yo,
guys.
it's stuck up my butt, bro. You want to see it out?
Bean
It's
for a
stuck up my
millisecond.
butt. Come on. Huh? Come on, Bean. I got it, guys. Why?
It's stuck.
Oh, no! There's some wimps.
Goddamn, why y'all trying
No.
to jump scare me? Oh, is that there?
Go black. Black
didn't
and
even
black
see
is
him.
not chasing you, little
I
bit.
just caught him. What the
That's gonna be it.
Stop.
That's gonna be it.
Oh my God.
Hope you guys enjoyed.
Yes.
So, this is gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to like and subscribe.